going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Rappy Pappy, and the whole gang. Guys, unbelievable. I'm about to share something with you guys. As we were here last few days ago, if you guys remember, we were at the Avalon Pier in North Carolina. We're driving back on the way back home. I stumbled on a treasure, a big treasure landmark, unreal. So I'm here to share with you guys because this was one of my childhood favorite things to watch on television, and I just want to be part of. So, you guys ready? Look right here. OMG. Guys, look. This is the Gravedigger's dungeon. This is his home. This is where they actually build the Gravedigger. It's unreal, guys. I used to watch this when I was a child. I used to watch the Monster Jam as he used to hit those hills and come back down. This is it. How lovely is that, dude? I'm like so stoked out. Come over here, guys. Take a look at this, man. In person, right here, the Gravedigger. Look at the monster wheel. Guys, this is it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy and so excited, dog. I wish like you guys were here with me to celebrate this, but guys, this is the Gravedigger. This is a beast. All the more, man, he won so many Monster Jams back in the days when I used to watch it. And just being here now where this is his home and this is where they do all the rebuilds and everything, which I'm going to show you guys. So here, take a look at this, guys. Look at that. Awesome or what? Is that cool or what, guys? And that's what the Gravedigger was known for too, man. Coming down hard on his wheels, on his axles, and just tearing this place up. Now check this out, guys. This is home, North Carolina. There's the old school Gravedigger right there. This right here is his home. This is where they do all the mechanics. This is where they fix them up. Unreal, and we're just gonna take a look. And now we're not allowed to go back here because it's only for authorized personnel only, and they for a lot of insurances. But guys, this is it. If you hear the music in the background, I have no copyright. I have no control what you guys hear. So just want to put that out there. But take a look at that Gravedigger Racing Shop. Guys, this is beautiful. Holy cow, in person. Guys, I'm just so excited. Wow, guys. Can you guys see this? Just being here, being even one of the mechanics, being able to touch the Gravedigger, and when they have shows and they go out there to these Monster Jams, guys, this is my childhood come true. We're not even done, guys. We are not done yet. All right, we're gonna go to the other side, take a look. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, just look at that, dude. Look at that right there. That's that Monster Jam I was talking about. I used to watch when I was a child right there. Unreal. Dude, look at that. How sweet is that right there? Beautiful, guys. And all they're doing here is just fixing these bad boys up. Waiting for the next show, waiting for the next Monster Jam to go out there and do their things, man. But you know what? We're not even done yet. Okay, so you guys are looking at the monster trucks out here. You see the mechanics. Now check a look. We're gonna go into the dungeon. This is where they have all the stuff. Hold on, can you go give me the on the car? This right here, guys, is the dungeon. This is where they call the dungeon, the Digger's Dungeon. All right, so unreal, guys, unreal. This is the shop. This is my childhood moment. I'm here at the Gravediggers home in North Carolina. Oh my gosh, look at all those Monster Jam Championships awards. How awesome is that, guys? Just look, man. This is just, oh, this is so cool, guys. If you're ever in North Carolina, drive towards the Avalon Pier, and you guys will come to this place, guys. It's just, they have everything from mugs, coffee mugs, to blankets. Wow, the race champion, and of course we all know the Gravedigger. That was a champion, guys. Just beautiful, guys. I am a huge kid in a candy shop right now. I'm just lost for words. This was my childhood. This was my childhood guy. Unreal. Look at all these shirts. We got awesome shirts. It says the Gravedigger. Look at that. He won the Double Down Award championship right there, guys. How are you feeling that? You guys, how you feeling that there, Dante? Look at that, guys. The Double Down championship right there. Monster Jam. And in the World Finals. Wow. And just look at all the designs on the hoods, on the side panels. Look at that. The Gravedigger, guys. And then they have all types of the Monster Jam trucks, from the Avenger to the Max D to the Hurricane, Monster Mud, Megalodon. Y'all remember the Megalodon? The Dragon, El Toro Loco, the Monster Mutt, Earth Shaker, and of course, the Gravedigger. King Crunch, the Zombie, dude. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, man. This is just awesome. I am so excited, guys. Really, I don't even know what to do. Mama Mia is back there. JT's right there. He's having a blast in the sand. This is just, look at all the trophies. All those trophies, guys. That's what Gravedigger's got right there. Unreal. Look at all these, man. Monster Jam Race Championship.
What's
up, Mama Mia?
Dennis, the main driver, right?
Yeah.
His son's dog is actually back there. Her name is Lily.
Really? We
Yeah,
gotta take a
she's
look at that. Holy cow. So come back here. Just looking at all the stuff that they have, guys. So if you guys, once again, if you're in North Carolina, please stop by the Gravediggers Dungeon. All right? You guys have to stop by and just look. As a matter of fact, look. Here's a book that we signed. Check it out. Talk about. You'll come in here and you'll see the Gravedigger Little Mama book. And we also signed it. Where do we sign it at, Mama? Man? Oh, there it is. There we are, guys. So if you're here and you see that, bam. The Goodners on YouTube. We love you, Gravedigger. That's right. We did it. So we hit the books. We're in the books. Awesome or what, guys? All right, so JT, and this is JT saying he loves this. He and they have these toys. You got the Gravedigger and he slides. Oh,
Big truck home, he said.
Oh, he wants to take the big one home. See, look at this, guys, and the little Power Wheels replica. Oh man. Is this what? What, JT? What, JT?
And the shark.
Where's the shark? Oh yeah, those are cool sharks. All right, guys. So you know what? If you guys think this is it, this is nothing, because I have another surprise for you guys. We're gonna go and jump on one of these monster trucks, and we're going to do a little arena. And there's a path that they take you to the forest line with bumps and jumps and whatever. So we're going to do that as well, guys. So I'm going to take you there, but I want to show you something else. Can you hold this, Mama Mia? Would you mind holding this real quick? On me. So look, guys. I bought a postcard. right? From here, from the digger's dungeon.
Did you get the vintage stuff too?
And you know what I'm gonna do with this right here? Look at this, on the back, got a stamp. I'm gonna send this right here to me back to Europe. You see that, right, guys? All right, so that's where it's going, guys. How cool is that? I think that's so cool, man. How to get something, right? So, with that being said, guys, we're getting ready to go and have some fun and kick butt. Are you ready, Dante?
Oh, look at Lily.
All right. Oh, there it is. This is Lily, guys. That's the grave digger's uncle. And that's his dog.
Dennis's son's dog.
Dennis's son's dog. So how cool is that, guys?
She's a good girl.
Awesome, isn't it? So what we're gonna go ahead and do, guys, now is take you guys onto this nice, awesome, awesome, cool Bigfoot adventure here shortly, all right? Okay, talk to you later. Bye. All right, guys, so that's what we're doing right there. We're going on these monster trucks, boys. We're going to do this trek right here. The whole family and you guys, we're all going on this big old track, and then we're going to go to the wood lines. Woo! Look at that. Yes, that's it. That is going to be awesome, guys. Look at that. And that one right there is called Riptide. Wow. Then you got the Kraken. All right, guys. So that's what we're doing. The family's in the car waiting. There he goes, guys. After this group here, we're next. That's so awesome. This is going to be awesome, guys. Are you guys ready? Are the good nerds ready?
I'm not sitting next to Dante.
No. Mamma Mia, you ready? All right,
I'll
guys.
sit at the end.
We're ready for this, guys. All right, guys. So we are now getting ready to go on to the Riptide. So, the good nerds, are you guys ready? Let's go. Come on, guys, walk up there. No, it's as soon as they're done with the pictures. Let's go.
I think we have to wait at the stairs.
Well, he's coming out right now. See, I'm gonna introduce our driver. I need you to stay back first, please. So now we're getting off. Before we head on, though, I have to give my shout out and my thanks and another fellow YouTuber. That's already 2 YouTubers we met. One in Virginia and now one here in North Carolina. Come here, in North Carolina. So just here's up and close and personal real quick so you guys can see this. We are jumping on the Riptide and just see how big it is. Hey, come over here, man. Come over here. Hold this real quick. Turn it around. What's your name again?
Tanner.
Tanner. So come over here, man. All right, man. So check this out, guys. This right here is Tanner. Hey, you want to go ahead and he also have a YouTube account. You want to shout out to your Snapchat or Instagram?
My Snapchat is tswish222, and then my Instagram is trippy.wrangler. Look me up.
There you go, guys. Hook them up, man, because I'm gonna tell you right now. When you guys come to North Carolina, like we just did, hit up Tanner, hit him on the Instagram, and set up a time to come up and do this Riptide, this mini monster truck here, because this is where it's at. All right, and he's our driver, so let's do this, man. We cool? All right. So, All right, boys. We getting up on here. And Tanner's not drinking beer. I hope not. Oh, that's Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew, not sponsored.
All right, sweet. Mountain Dew's not our sponsor. That's right. So, I'm gonna come over here, guys. It's all right. Oop. Go sit over there, Mom. They won't sit there.
Somebody wants to ride in the front, they can.
Woo! I'm gonna have to do the front, guys, because I'm getting up. Okay, go ahead, Mama Mia. Go. And I'll be in the back here with my boys.
Honestly, the last seat is the best seat.
So the back is more fun?
More bumpy.
If,
I'm alright.
there you go.
I'm not trying to fall off.
All right, guys. So, hold up. I can put my seatbelt on too. Hold this.
No, wait, I got my extra.
Dad, you're too big to put on your seatbelt.
I'm too big.
Yeah.
What?
Because you're too big to put on your seatbelt.
That's what he said. So.
You're too big to put on your seatbelt.
Oh well. That's why JT was right. That's why I'm gonna hold on to this. All right, guys. So here we go, guys. Yeah, we doing this. it's tight. Woo! Yo! Guys, I'm gonna just have to say one question when we get out here and talk to Tanner. Yo! Wow! Wow! Get some!
Bro, I
Yo!
jumped up.
Look, the camera!
I jumped up.
Oh, you did?
I got
I know
Tell
you
him
did.
thank you.
Thank you. Hey, come here.
jumped.
Hold this up. Hold this real quick, Jordan.
I got jumped.
Turn around.
Yeah, you got quite a bit
Yo,
extra there.
that was just, yo, I gotta put that out there.
That was awesome.
Hey, check this out, man. Brother Tanner hooked it up. Hey, he hooked it up. He did the extras. So check this out, guys. Much love. I have one question for you, Tanner.
What's going on?
You know the grave diggers over there, right?
Yep.
So I see you driving a monster truck. So when that time comes, will you be in one of them bad boys up there as well? That's it. Enough said. He just said
I'm
it, guys.
working on it now, so.
Enough said. Hey, guys, I'm gonna say this right now. Please hit him up on his Instagram. Please follow him. Hit him up on his tweets, on his Snapchat. Yo, this guy is real. He just hooked it up for us. So all my subscribers, all my viewers, show him much love. So till then, remember one thing. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy every moment with your family and ours. Peace.